Hi, I'm Chef Daniel Green, and I'd love to show you what you can do with leftovers, like pork, chicken, or turkey, and take it to a whole new hemisphere, into egg fried rice, and save some money in the process. Start off with just a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna add some broccoli and some carrots, and let those saute for just a little bit. One of the key ingredients is eggs. I'm gonna crack a few into the vegetables. Now I'm just gonna whisk these together in the pan. Add some peas, leftover turkey, some rice, soy sauce. Garnish with some sesame oil and sesame seeds, and you've made your leftovers and your money go a little further. Well, until next time, please feel free to share your leftover recipe ideas at #LeftoverChef.